Swing is the basic rhythmic attitude of jazz music. When the whole band is swinging, it means everyone is listening and working together. Like a democracy, swing allows us to express our unique personalities while respecting each other in a group setting. Swing is expressed as a rhythm with a tension between a duple and a triple rhythm. The bottom rhythm is a steady 4/4, often called 4 on the floor, outlined by the walking bass line. This 4 has extra emphasis on beats 2 and 4, counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., and etc. The top rhythm is a triplet 6/8 rhythm expressed by the drummer's ride cymbal, counted 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. Now, the propulsive tension between these two rhythms played together in balance is the foundation of swing. Swing also refers to a specific jazz style that evolved in the mid-1930s, a period that we now call the swing era. It is also characterized by large ensembles that play complex arrangements, mostly meant for dancing.